Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Ada. On this channel I share simple tech tutorials and related content for beginners using Android phone. In today's video I'll be sharing with you a tutorial on how to share or post your YouTube video links to your WhatsApp status. Okay, so if that sounds like what you're interested in, continue watching. Okay, it's assume you're a YouTuber, like you have videos on your YouTube channel and you also have WhatsApp app. So if you don't have WhatsApp app, you go download the WhatsApp app on Google Play Store, okay? And if you're using Android phone, the YouTube app, is by default and you have to update it if it's not yet updated, okay? So that being said, the first thing you're going to do is to go to the YouTube app on your phone. You tap on it. Then you go to the profile picture. You tap on your profile picture. Then next you tap on your channel. Then it will take you to your channel page proper, okay? So what you're going to do is to look for the video you want to share or post to your WhatsApp status, okay? So let's tap on videos to select the video of choice. So depending on the video you want to post on your status, okay, take for instance, I want to post this, how to make soft shawarma bread at home. So if I want to share this, what I'm going to do is to tap on this three dotted line. So tap on these three dotted lines, then tap on share. Once you tap on share, you tap on WhatsApp. Then you tap on my status. You tap on this arrow here. Okay, so this is the video and the video link on your WhatsApp status. So to encourage click-through rates, you have to type something, okay? You have to type a call to action so that people can be able to click and know what it is, okay? So let's take, for instance, let me add some text. I could say, go to enter. I could say, tap on the link to make delicious shawarma bread, okay? So this is a call to action to encourage click-through rates, okay? So once that is done, you tap on this send button to sending status update. So we are going to head over to my WhatsApp to check our status. You tap on WhatsApp app, then you tap on status, then you tap on these three dotted lines, okay? So this was the one I posted earlier on and this was the one I just posted now, okay? Then you tap on it, on the link to make, you tap on the link. So once they tap on this link, this is what they're going to see, okay? They're going to see your YouTube link, and what they're going to do is to click on this link and it will take them to your YouTube channel, and they'll watch your video. Okay, so make sure you put a call to action. Tap on the link. Okay, so let them know that, let them have the knowledge of what they're going to watch. Okay, so make sure you add a call to action to enable them click on the link, and once they click on the link, they are going to see this. Okay, this will pop up. Okay, and they will click on this clickable link, then it will take them to your YouTube channel. So this is a simple way you can add or share your YouTube videos to your WhatsApp status. So if you have a good number of contacts on your phone, okay, this will be very, very, very beneficial, because it's an easy way to, send people to watch your videos on YouTube. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one, and bye for now.